Hi, friends. Happy Friday. It's time for celebrations where we get to talk about all the hard work you guys have been doing all week. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Boop, boop. We are going to start with Gigi, our ST Math. I have a lot of friends today to celebrate who have done a ton of puzzles. So remember, this first part here with the clock on it shows how many minutes you spent doing ST Math. And then the thing next to the puzzle is how many puzzles you've done. Valeria, you rock star. You've done 231 puzzles. Whoa! That is a lot of puzzles. And we're going to celebrate Isabella. She's done over 100 puzzles. Same with Diego. You guys have done an awesome job. I'm looking to see who's going to be our curious Kipster of the week next. Curious people do a lot of ST Math, a lot of Gigi. And look at all of these people. I want to celebrate every single one of these people for doing all of these puzzles. Misalia, Uriel, Jalen, Zoe, Keden, Gael, Sammy, Alex, David, and Kevin. Take a little gander there at all of those different puzzles that they have done. Let's give them 5 claps on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Great job, guys. Now let's celebrate Lexia. On our Lexia, these are all the friends who met their goal and some people who even went beyond their goal. You can see Valeria again has 36 units on Lexia. That's over triple her goal of 10 units. You guys did such a good job. Great job, Uriel, Diego, Isabella, Sammy, Keden, Zoe, Jalen, Omar, and Raul. You guys all met your goal and they deserve a hip hip hooray. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hip hip hooray! Now, let's talk about, almost forgot, our awesome Lexia Superstars. These are some friends who got some certificates this week. Valeria completed level 11. Jalen completed level 2. Jackie completed level 10. Keden completed level 11. Diego completed level 10. Awesome job, guys. Big round of applause for our friends with certificates all the way around. Now let's talk about Google Classroom. Celebrate Isabella today. You can look and see that she's turned in every single assignment. There are no missing assignments here. She's turned absolutely everything in for this whole week, and she has done such a great job doing it. So great job, Isabella. I am so proud of you and all your hard work. Let's look at another friend who I see has done so much hard work this week. Emery has done all of her work. Look at everything that she's turned in. This one, she wasn't able to get to it that day, so she came back and did it later. So I can see that it says done late, and that tells me that she's making sure that every single one of her assignments is done. She's done every single one, and I so appreciate that, Emery. So awesome job. Friends, keep up the hard work. Have an excellent weekend. I love you all, and I'll see you on Monday.